students watching, we're ready to begin our activity lesson. And let's look at our globe. And what I is spinning the globe. Can you see what is the greeny thing? That's right, it's a continent. And what is the blue surrounded by the globe? It's water. It's ocean. Can you remind me how many continents there is? There are 7 continents. That's right. And there are 5 oceans. There we go. Now let's go to here. Okay, we're going to travel to Japan, now to Tokyo, travel down to the big city of Sydney. Here. Can you see how big Sydney is? Sydney is not a big country. Okay, here we are. These are Sydney Lighthouse, the Sydney Bridge, and some other houses. This is a sheep station. This is a koala, a platypus, and Iris Rock, and a big crow. Do you know why the platypus is strange? But God made it special. Okay, let's come here. This is a flag just like England, see? Because England is take care of the country of Australia. And Australia is the country down under. This is the Sydney Copper House. And you see how the lights they put on? It's very beautiful. And if they see the Sydney Copper House, and Sydney Copper House is all surrounded by water, you see. And Sydney Copper House was very beautiful. And some countries are small, but they have a lot of people living there. Do you know what Japan that we visit in last lesson? It's small, but they have some walls that move so they can have some space in day and night. And this is a koala. It's a very cute one. But this koala is not in his mother's bed anymore, and it's big. This one is a small one. See? It is really small. And the koala is the size of a nickel when it was born. It's pretty small. This is a kangaroo. It's keep it inside its mother's back. And this kangaroo is very fun growing up. And this is a picture of a baby kangaroo. Look at this kangaroo. They like to jump. These are very strong legs, you see? And I don't have a picture of a introduction, but I have an introduction in a platypus. Do you know what this is? Look like beak of a duck. And these don't have fingers. See? It have that. And a platypus is strange, but God made it special. Really special. And this is a type of jaw. It looks more like a wolf, but it's a dig. It's a toe. This is a koala, and it's pretty small. This is a koala, a picture. Koalas don't eat much. They sleep much. And it's a very sleepy guy. Do you know why? They sleep about 16 hours. They eat leaves. They eat not much water, but they drink lots of water. The leaves they eat give them water, so they spend more time in the tree. There is a leprechaun tree. Koalas like living there. See? This is Christmas. If you look at the America, it is winter. So Christmas is in winter in America. But in Australia, they winter. They have Christmas in summer. So some people might go to the beach. That's it. Some people live near the ocean. That's why eggs are very special. They can live and they like to surf. This is a house. Do you saw something that's different from the house in America? No, they're the same. This is a sheep station. They don't want those dogs I just talked them before, like a dingo. They don't want them. And this is a special type of bird found in Australia. It's called a bonobo. This is dunno, but it's only have this. And this is a sheepdog. It's ready to work in the sheep station. This is when they serve the sheep to keep them cool. They don't. Some kids are far from the school, so they call it air school. That's why they use that. There's computers here. They are going to school like us. And when they don't, these are the special reef in Australia. This is a coral. And these are the tropical fishes, and these are very special and beautiful. Then this, they may call it candy, but in Australia, they call it lolly. This, girls, we might put this on our hair, and we call them barrettes, but in Australia, they call them hair clips. And this is a man, but they call it, this is a sneaker, but in Australia, they call them sand shoes. And we call this a friend, but in Australia, they call them a mate. And students watching, we are going back to our map. This is a very special one. We spend a lot of time everywhere. So, students watching, it's fun to travel in Australia with you.